ahead of the children you have in this compound. Can you imagine? I'm going to good law school. Good luck, and his headmaster with his English teacher cannot spell book.
My own is the most foolish boy and stupid boy I've ever seen.
Your son is not stupid though. My son is foolish. My own is more stupid.
What are you saying?
You think I'm lying? Go do it. Go do it.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Go and check it for your inside.
Okay.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. You see? You see? Boy is stupid.
I've just inside. I did not see.
Hey, wait. You did not see me.
Let me show you my own. Emeka, come here. Emeka, go and buy something for me.
Jesus. Hey! What did he even send you to buy?
I don't know.
Did he even give him money?
Oh, yeah? Did you send any money here?
Wait. Good luck. Good luck.
Yes.
Come. Good luck.
Yes.
Good luck.
Yes.
Good luck.
Yes.
How many times did I call you?
3 times.
Good luck. What is your name? I said, what is your name?
Our teacher did not teach us our name. Thanks for watching this sweet comedy video. Please subscribe, like and share. Share with your friends. Don't be stingy. Share with your friends.